Hello, I am Aman Shah and I am applying for Masters in Information System at California State University, Long Beach. I am inspired by what I see around me and that moved me to raise the level of my already improving performance to a different plane altogether. Throughout my schooling, I was a merit student and had passion and interest in computer and information technology. Soon, I started reading about the latest advances in the field that an Indian IT company enjoys within this field. It motivated me and I qualified to pursue the bachelor's program in information and communication technology at one of the best colleges in my state. My grades over past 3 years justifies this decision. I have scored consistent first class distinction and secured my place among the top students of the entire university. The 4 year of the engineering provided me the perfect amalgamation in form of theory and practices through projects, workshops, industrial visits and internships. I have undergone projects and presentation. These have coveted diverse areas from within and outside our course curriculum. I am proud of my project on blockchain-based digital identity. I used Python for this purpose. Cryptocurrency-enabled pet purchase was facilitated through this project. For my project on indoor positioning system, I used Bluetooth and Arduino Uno for making the maps of the shops inside malls and airports. Another project was on wireless video surveillance using the technology of Raspberry Pi 2. It integrated software and hardware technologies, enabling the surveillance of the areas which are not accessible easily. At present, I am working on a project of hotel menu application using the technology of Flutter. Over past 4 years, I have assessed my knowledge and technical skills through internships and workshops. These include 1 month internship on networking and 8-month internship on Java networking, overview of project management and data analytics at Mehan Software Solution. During this time, I developed websites for clients on professional basis. Additionally, I have attended workshops on cloud computing, Docker and Kubernetes, and on pattern strategies. Specific training was obtained at Yantrabyte in data science and machine learning. In order to get exposure and experience, I have undergone internship for setting polling booth during 2019 parliamentary elections and in sales and marketing for Smittens. My internship have taught me being proactive, taking initiatives, working effectively in groups, and managing activities. Independent coursework has been pursued in Python Basics from University of Michigan, Information System from University of Minnesota, Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence from University of Washington. During this time, I developed special interest in information systems. I have set lofty goals for myself and look to focus in areas of information system and carve niche out for myself. In short term, I see myself in the field of technical management and get exposure to latest application technologies and providing solutions. I am sure that I will apply my knowledge and technical skills to accomplish tasks from inception to completion. In long run, I see myself as a business analyst or a project manager in one of the renowned techno organizations. I am in the awe of the options and the depth in the coursework and leading edge infrastructure facilities. I look to study at California State University, Long Beach, Department of Information Systems and learn from the expert faculties. I do believe with the exploration of Dr. Ying Lewis, focused in the areas of web application development, system software architecture and Dr. Daksu's work in areas of social media analysis and data analytics, a broad area within my choice, I will find myself in the right environment leading me to both pride of California State University, Long Beach and world of information technology. I am sure that it can give me a right launchpad to take off my career to different level with desired impetus and help me to scale new heights. Thank you.